Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. In today's clip, I'll be announcing the winner of the brand new Mavic Air that we're giving away as part of our Summer of Drones giveaways. Now, we were lucky enough on our first attempt to get a hold of the gentleman that won this. Normally, when we do these kind of contests, we have to try a couple of times because people get an email and they think, oh, it's got to be spam. Nobody's giving away free drones. I'm here to tell you, we're shipping free drones. And when I contacted this gentleman, his first reaction was, man, I never win anything. Well, guess what? You won a drone. So we're shipping this thing out to you tomorrow morning. Now, the gentleman's name is Aaron S. from New York City, New York. A city so nice that I had to name it twice. The Big Apple. I spent a lot of time there. It's a great place to live. Anyway, he's getting the Mavic Air. We're also going to include, and he doesn't know this, we're going to include a case because you need some place to store your Mavic Air away when you're moving between locations. So we're going to include a nice case with it. We're also going to include a bunch of accessories. I've got a range extender that you can use to actually extend the range of the drone. It's parabolic, so what it does is increase your signal strength downfield to give you a rock solid connection at a little further distance away than you'd normally get with the standard controller. I'm also including a battery bag, a LiPo safety bag, and battery guards because winter's coming up. You're going to want to store your battery someplace, so put it inside that fire retardant bag. Put those battery clips on the end of it to protect the connectors, and that's a great way to transport your battery. Also included with the kit, we're giving them an extra set of propellers. I'm including a stabilizer for the propellers because when you put it away in the case, the propellers tend to flap around a little bit, so these stabilizers keep them in place nice tight to the body, make it really easy to put it away. And then the last thing we're including is one of the Drone Valley Hydra cables, which is an amazing cable. It's flexible, it's cloth covered, it's heavy duty, it's got a USB-A on one end and 3 different heads on the other end, one for Apple, one for micro USB, and one for USB-C. You can use that to charge any device you've got. Just make things a whole lot simpler for you. All of this is going out to Aaron S. in the mail tomorrow. And again, I love doing these kind of giveaways. We've got one more big one coming up, so stay tuned for that. But my intention here is that we're lucky that we work with a lot of manufacturers. They're very benevolent where they send us stuff and say, hey, you've got a lot of subscribers on your channel that are getting into the hobby. We're going to give you some drones. Why don't you give them away in the channel to people that really need them? So I love doing this kind of stuff. I feel like Kris Kringle a little bit here giving out prizes. So if you're a fan of the channel, stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there because again, I've got a bunch more giveaways coming up, including a beautiful drone that we're going to be announcing next week. It's the biggest and the best and most professional drone we've ever given away on the channel, and I'll be listing that next week. So you definitely want to get in on that contest. And that's pretty much it for today. So thank you so much for all the subscribership you've shown the channel, your support, visiting our website, picking up products from us. We just have had a great year, and I could not be happier in giving stuff like this away and back to the community because I love droning. I love flying drones. Every time I put a drone up in the sky, I'm smiling ear to ear like I'm 9 years old again. And you're going to have that same reaction when you put your drone up. So thanks again for watching. Until next time, Aaron, good luck. Enjoy the drone and happy flying.